Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to introduce you and twist IBA cocktail, more precisely the V.E.N.TO cocktail. V.E.N.TO literally means wind in Italian. In a way, it's a tribute to the regions of Veneto and Trentino, situated in the northern borders of Italy, where the most important grappas are made. This cocktail is inspired on a traditional way of drinking grappa by combining honey and chamomile. For many, still today is considered a kind of folk medicine, especially important for curing winter-type diseases. Twisting cocktails is a great way to give your personal touch to any recipe. For this cocktail, I will slightly adjust the lemon sour component and the sweetening agent by adding dry hibiscus flower and by this giving it an oriental twist. Stir the syrup consistently until boiling starts. Cover it and let it cool down. Fine strain and store. For my twist, I will use aquavit from Nonino, chamomile honey water, chamomile hibiscus syrup, fresh lemon, and a whole egg white. The art of distillation has been a privilege of the renowned Nonino family. Since 1897, they have been producing grappas and evolving the craft. In this case, I will use il distillato de miele di castagno. That is not a traditional grappa, but a chestnut honey distillate. I will then add the chamomile honey water and the homemade chamomile hibiscus syrup. This will form the body of this cocktail. Freshly squeeze the lemon juice as it makes the difference. Add a whole egg white. There are many ways to break the egg's physical structure and involve it with the remaining ingredients. This will create a smooth, silky mouthfeel. Add ice and shake vigorously. As reference, you can place this cocktail in any kind of selected glassware, with ice or without, as long as you fine strain the drink to remove small broken ice chips and lemon fruit pieces. To disguise any egg aroma, you may squeeze a lemon peel, spreading its oils on top. You can also remove any small bubble formed by briefly torching the surface. Garnish and serve. Searching your markets for inspiration may lead you to the next great cocktail creation.